Okay, so today we are finally picking up my lift kit that got powder coated. It's a 7-inch McCoy's lift, and I got the 8 to 9-inch lift keys, but it doesn't matter. We're finally picking up the powder coating today. I got my friends coming over. We're gonna go to the shop, get the trailer, and go get the lift. You're gonna hit me. Running around. It's everything. 32 pieces.
You see it in the video?
Yeah.
Penis would fit in it?
What?
Probably not.
We'll get to grabbing.
It's not gonna fit.
It's not gonna fit. It's not gonna fit what?
In that place.
Yeah, it will. This will fit. It's going on her. If I can zoom in. Alright, put the A-frame on just to see what it looks like. Really like it. And tomorrow morning we are going to start putting the lift on, so she can finally be back on her feet.